So here we have the 2005 Mercedes-Benz S 550. I'm just doing a quick walk around just to show you what it looks like. So far so good. And let's start it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. No torn seats. Sunroof. And of course, driver view. This is the door. No check engine light, no other codes, nothing. This is what the radio looks like. We have navigation. You can connect your phone. There's none connected right now. The original books. And it looks like you have this as well. Ooh. It's been a while since I've seen one of these. I'm going to go ahead and shoot the engine and the trunk as well. And we'll check out the sunroof. So now I'm just going to show you the sunroof. Then you just manually pull that over. So here we have the engine. Here we have the trunk and the spare.